Welcome to Beauty First in 10. If you're new here, hi, my name is Debbie and I'm very excited to have you on my channel. I love all things makeup, fashion, beauty, decor, football, you name it, I'm excited about it. And I even do an occasional DIY. To see my most recent unboxing video, I'll link that up in the description box above. I do luxury, but I also do affordable. And so I just did a Walmart haul, so you can explore that if you're not quite ready to commit to this. But today we're going to be unboxing my Coach and my Aldo order. So I have seen this bag on Coach for quite some time, and I really was excited when I went in and was able to see it in person. So let's take a look at this, because I really, outside of seeing it online, had not done a lot of research on this. So this is the Coach Nina Tote, and this is crocodile embossed leather, and it's in the shade Merlot and Gold. And this retails for $578. And let's take a look inside. I did notice that it has this snap closure, and I'll kind of show that to you here in a second, as soon as I get the straps out. So this snap closure here, you just need to get it close and it snaps it. And then the bag handles have a 10.5-inch drop. And then you've got 2 pockets on the inside, and then it's actually pretty roomy too. You could definitely fit a laptop in here, and then I'll show you the inside too. So it's got pockets right there, so you can put your cell phone or your wallet. And then it also has 2 pockets on, if I can get it right, on the other side that also can fit some stuff. So this is just so pretty. This color is just very fall to me. This is really kind of in right now, just this Merlot color. And I've bought a lot of things in this color because it really just looks good on my skin tone. So definitely encourage you to check this out. This would be a great work bag or just school bag. And it does also, I'm feeling it now, have little footers on it. So this way it won't sit on the ground and it'll kind of level itself out. So really excited about this. I'll bring it in closer so you can just kind of see the details on it. That is just, it's just gorgeous. It's so pretty. So I'm excited to use this. I'm going to use it as a work bag. Okay, and then the other bag that I got that is also very on trend for fall is this Aldo bag in this chocolate brown color. This is so popular again for fall, and I've also bought a lot of things in this chocolate brown color, so this will go really well with it. I just loved the gold accents, and it also had this snake print color on it as well. And then it's got these little charms here, and then you have your wallet, which you could certainly put on the inside as well. But I love a good handle bag. I have really narrow shoulders, and so when I put a shoulder bag on, it tends to just keep falling off over and over again. So this handle is great, and I love these gold accents. And on the back here, you can also see it's got a zippered pocket with, again, the gold accent. So I'll just kind of bring that close so you can kind of see all of the different details on that and just kind of that coloration. And then there's the snake print on the side. So let's take a look inside this bag. I haven't really explored this. I just sort of saw it and bought it. So let's just kind of, oh, okay. So it also comes with a shoulder strap that looks like it also has kind of that gold and also the chocolate brown color. And then on the inside here, you have this big zippered pocket here. And then on the other side, you have 2 just regular pockets that you can do. And then there's also on the inside another pocket here. So lots of room in there to explore and kind of put stuff on. And then it looks like the shoulder straps will attach just kind of on the inside here and also here. So they're definitely out of the way, which is also nice. And then the inside is really nice too. It just has that Aldo on it. So this bag was kind of a surprise. I was not looking for this one, but this is available on Amazon and also on aldo.com. So definitely check this out. There was a number of different colors. So if you're not a huge fan of the chocolate brown kind of ivory combination with the snake print, there was others. And again, I'll just bring this in so you can kind of see how nice this coloration was. But this was a great bag. So both of those are available online and also in stores. So if you don't see the bag online, definitely check out in stores because they had a lot of both of these bags when I went and shopped those. So as always, happy shopping.